Hello guys, now I am going to show you how to do Google Forms. You might have heard this term before because it is used for many informations. Let me show you a few of its use. First, to go that sites, use that forms.google.com as your website. Click enter. Now you are taken to a web like this. It is created officially by Google. Now what you are going to do is that you can select the thing you want, like assessment, t-shirt, sign up, RSP, then what, contact information, find a time, then party invite, order form, job information, off time request, like this. But if you are doing something which is not in any of this, then you can create a blank form which will give you the default title, untitled form, and some description, a question, and that. This will be the time when you click the new forms. Now I am going to show you how to make a form. First, name your form. Just click that untitled, type the name. I am using the name Space Quiz, but you can use anything you want. Okay, now you can give a description if you want, like answer only one time, all the best, like that. I am giving all the best. Then you can come to the question. Now coming to the question, you have to first, there will be a untitled question. Click in that, backspace it, and write your question. I am writing, what is the largest planet? Now I have written it. Then if you want, you can do it like there are many things like short answer. Short answer means it will come mostly 2 to 2 lines only it will take. Then which paragraph which is many lines, or multiple choice, and check boxes. It's mostly like multiple choice, but it's somewhat different. There is something like drop down, then file upload, like this. I am using multiple choice. You can type your answers to there. You can type the answers. You can type how much options you want. Wait a second. Now you can type, and there's also another called add other. It is a thing that is not in that. For example, if you gave what is the largest planet, the answer is actually Jupiter. But if you didn't give the Jupiter, you can click that option and write what is it. Wait, let me show you. In that Space Quiz, if you click other, then you can write what is it, like, okay, this is the option of other. Now after this, if you want to make it a required question, you can give this, and still many for. You can shuffle option order for each persons, and you can go to section based answer too. But if you want to make this question like points or the correct answer, then you have to go to quiz. In general, you have to go to quizzes, and there you have to click the point, make this a quiz. Then it will come immediately after each submission, later after manual review, like that. You can see missed questions, like this. Next you have to give it and save it. Once if you give that, they will come and blue color option called answer key. You click that answer key, you can do 3 things. You can add answer feedback, and you can give what the actual answer is, and you can also add points depending upon the question. Next, if you want to go to next question, you have to give this plus. There's also another option called add picture. add picture might not be available for several accounts. Like what is this? Now if you want to add a picture, then click this picture icon. There it will show you many things. First is upload. You can browse something that is in your computer, or by camera by taking a photo. Next by URL, you can paste the URL of an image. Then by photos, if it is used by a Google Photos. Then Drive. Then Google image search. You can search for image like this, nebula. You can select a picture. It will be appear like this one giant, but if you want, you can minimize the size of it. If you click on the picture, some blue dots might occur. Minimize it till your request. Okay, now I have done like that. You can still add an option, or I am giving this short answer. Okay, now we'll go to the next one. You can add some things like you can import questions from another forms that are created earlier. Then you can add a title and a description. It will be like this, and you can add a picture. You can add even a YouTube video, or sometimes even your video that is in your computer. Now next option is that add section will come. Section means it will be, for example, this is section 1 literature, then section 2 language, like that. If you don't want section, click here and click delete section. Similarly, if you don't want a question, click on the trash bin option. If you click a question, it will show you a trash bin option. It will delete the question, and if you click this, it will duplicate the question. Like again, it will repeat. If you don't want it, then don't worry, simply delete it. And the next question is that is 3 dots. It will have some description like that. Okay. Now what you are going? Now we have created this quiz. If you want, you can make this required. Now we have created this quiz. If you want to know how if you want to send other people, so you can click this send, where you can send through email, send via email to person, then this, and sometimes copying it to the clipboard. Yeah, this too. Now you can send it to your friends. Now you can also customize your own theme, even an image. Like I'm using this pills, or sometimes even this. Then you can insert it. It will come in the top of this. As you can see, it will come. If you close this, and you can see it will come in the top of this quiz. If you want to change the color of this and this, you have to click it and you have to change the color. You can even create a color on your own based on this. Sometimes even like red, and background color too, and you can change your font size. There are actually 4 fonts. Then like decorative, then formal, then playful. These are the things. Okay. If you want any help regarding this, you can even ask Google itself by looking at this question mark. It will help you take to Action Center, and you can ask any questions there. Okay. Now we can see how our quiz has come. Just click this settings, not settings, just click this I. You will come across this quiz. You can fill it. Which is the largest planet? Jupiter. What is this? Click and you can submit it, and you can click view score and even submit another response. But if you want others to submit only one response, you can click limit to 1 response. And you can also give that every person can edit after they submit. and like that. Next, this person can't submit another response if he or she reloads this page. Wait, yes, it will show like this. Reconfirm before form submission. Even if they manage to get it, you can even you can see their scores. I have submitted and I have submitted it. They can view their scores themselves, and you too can view their scores. Just click on responses. Now you can see that. You can look for like this, and sometimes you can even look individually for each person. Here it is having no name because we did a trial, but if a person plays, for example, like some John is playing, it will come like this. Here John, and it will show this space quiz. Okay, that's all about Google Forms. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.